Hello from Madeira. It's nice rally coming and my second time over here. And this is one of my favorite tarmac rallies. You know, it's so clean, nice stages, and second time through the stages is almost the same as first one. No gravel, nothing over there. And we had a test over here on Tuesday, but a little bit short, only 2 hours, because some Portuguese flight company had a small problem on the way over here, so we had to stay one night in Lisbon. There was nice airport hotel, but still today in the shakedown, that's why we made even 3 passes, confirm our setup for the rally, and now we are ready from that side. And weather, as you can see, it's something else what I expected, but nothing what even we can do for that. But this rally, when it's raining, it's even more tricky. I don't know, is it am I getting old or what, but we are in 1.5 kilometer high over there, and the ditches are quite deep. So if you are with the hard slicks over there and it's raining, I think it's not even fun. It can be dangerous sometimes, but we'll see what happens with the weather. But we are ready, and tonight it starts on the nice super special on the city, which is mainly made for the spectators.